Hey, hello everyone, this is Diana Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can find keywords in order to get ideas and to rank your content. Okay, this content can be blog posts or this content can be YouTube videos. So you can rank on Google or you can rank on YouTube, or if you're doing videos, you can rank on both. But before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm usually talking about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topic. So if this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I don't want you to miss a video. By the way, if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, I'm talking about making passive income even while you sleep, while you travel, when you're enjoying the day with your family. I'm gonna leave the link below. It's gonna be the very first link in the description. Now let me go back to the topic. As I mentioned before, I'm gonna share with you how you can do keyword research so you don't run up of ideas if you need to create content, and you can rank those blog posts or videos easily. Okay, so the very first thing that you need, or the very first tool that I use, is this one. It's called Keywords Everywhere. Okay, it's called Keywords Everywhere. This is a free Chrome extension and a free Firefox extension. It's you're using any other browser, I'm sorry. Okay, what it's gonna help you is that you're gonna have a great idea, or actually a precise data of how competitive it's the keywords that you're trying to rank, so you can have the search volume on Google, on eBay, on Etsy, on YouTube, etc. So you just need to type the word and you're gonna have all the data. Again, this is called Keywords Everywhere. It's a free Chrome and Firefox extension, so no excuses for not getting installed. So now that you haven't installed it, let's say that I'm going to be recording a YouTube video. I just want to have some ideas for my next YouTube video. Most of the time we are doing something like this. We're going to go to YouTube and we say like, hey, you know what, I'm on the weight loss industry, so my word is going to be weight loss. Yeah, it has a tons of volume, and this is something that you're gonna get with the extension that I mentioned, the Keywords Everywhere. You're gonna have the volume, how many people are doing a search for this keyword, and you are gonna have the cost per click, and you're gonna have the competition. So this is not a great tool to try to rank because the competition is really high. So what do? Do you just give up? No, actually you just need to do this. For example, I click here and I have, okay, weight loss Tamil, weight loss drinks. I might do a video about weight loss drinks because it don't have that, the search volume is not that big. Or if you have a compilation and permission, you can do this one, weight loss transformation men, 480 search per month. Okay, but you can also do this. You can do a space, right? I have now more options. Weight loss journey, you can do that video, is 6600 searches. Don't do the tips because it's way too competitive, but we have so much, too many keyword research. That's a lot. For example, we can go with this one, weight loss meal prep, 1200 searches per month, so that's okay. Or you can also do like this, you can type A, right? We can have weight loss apple cider vinegars. You can do a compilation, and even if you have some like receipts, you can sell your own receipts, or you can do affiliate marketing. Okay, check it out. Weight loss and muscle gain workouts. This is a great one to rank it fairly easily. Okay, let's say we can do also with the B. Okay, we can have well, this one is really hard, the weight loss before and after, but we can do the weight loss body transformation, binaural. Okay, beginners workout. This is going to be a good one, especially sometimes most of the beginners, they are there because they're looking for the content and they're willing to invest if you provide them value. So if I do C, I have the same weight loss chocolate. Okay, that might be a good one, right? I'm not sure who is Chris Powell, right? So let's say I'm going to do the same with D. Okay, weight loss drinks. If you have some filmings that you want to share, you can do the documentary. Okay, let's say that I want to go with weight loss diet plans for women. Weight loss, okay, diet plan. Okay, here I have for men, for women in Hindi. Okay, for teenage girls, this will be a good one. Okay, for, I'm still writing down, for women in Hindi, for women in Telugu. I really don't know what's that. Okay, if I do the same, woman, you see. So this is going to be more targeted. Oh, I can do this one vegetarian if you have some receipts again. Okay, so these are some of the techniques that you can do inside YouTube if you're doing videos. Okay, you can do this inside YouTube, but my recommendation is that if you're in the weight loss industry, try to focus on a sub niche. Okay, try to focus on a sub niche rather than to go really raw. Okay, for example, let's say I can go with keto diet. Okay, I can do this one, keto diet for beginners, keto diet meal plan, right? I can do it before and after. Okay, so again, I can do the same if I put the A. Okay, keto diet and acne. Maybe people might be scared if they can do it. Okay, keto diet, alcoholic drinks. Okay, I can do the same, keto B, right? Keto diet bodybuilding. So you can see I do have all these things here. Also, because we have the free keyword tool, we can do the same here on Google. I type keto diet, and as you can see, I have the volume here on Google, and I have some related keywords here on my right. This is because I have this tool. Okay, again, if you haven't downloaded keywords everywhere for free, and you're gonna have all this information. So here they're telling me that a lot of people are doing a research for keto diet plans for beginners, keto menu for beginners, keto diet review, keto diet wiki, keto diet receipts. Again, you can do this and you can start promoting your own products, your own programs, or you can do affiliate marketing. Okay, and you're gonna rank fairly easily, and you're gonna have a good search volume. Okay, so another tool that I use, just in case that you are wondering, because this is actually really great, is the tool here on Google. Okay, I can do the same here on Google as I did on YouTube, and it's gonna give me the results based on Google. Okay, although you're using the same Chrome extension, in my case I'm using Google Chrome, I'm gonna be getting the information related to the interaction, or the things, the activities that people do on Google. If I go to YouTube, I'm gonna be getting all the information related to YouTube. So this tool is really nice, really powerful. If you're from Australia, you can see here Keto Diet Australia. You can write an article about it, like, okay, keto diet and cholesterol, keto diet and heart diseases. Nice. So you can do like a compilation, writing down all the topics that you're going to write or you're going to talk about during the week, depending if you're doing videos, blog posts, or if you are hiring people to do the job for you. You can let them know, like, okay, these are the keywords that I want to rank, and these also the topics that I want to write the content about, to do the video about. Another great tool that I use is this one. It's gonna be called Answer the Public. Okay, I did exactly the same, the keto diet example, and as you can see here, I have questions. Okay, these are not keywords but actual questions that people are writing it down because they want to know. Okay, they want to know. For example, here I have keto diet and what keto diet is. Okay, maybe you can write an article explaining what it is. Okay, the same, what keto diet consists of. Maybe you can rewrite the same article, but now you're going to be using others keywords. Okay, what keto diet looks like. Okay, you can show them some kind of menus, examples like, hey, you're not gonna be starved, don't worry, don't panic. Okay. Okay, keto diet, like keto diet when working out. Hey, maybe people I'm not sure if they can do it when they working out, how this diet is gonna benefit them. Here, this one, how keto diet affect cholesterol. Okay, so as you can see, this one, answer the public, does not give you like actual keywords, not at the beginning, but if I keep scrolling, let me show you because there is more information. Okay. Okay, if you scroll down, these are the actual keywords with the search volume here. Okay, and you can do exactly the same. You can pick the ones that you want to rank off. Don't go crazy, avoid those that are super competitive. Okay, think about long-term keywords, long-tail keywords. Okay, whenever you're going to be ranking it, and then you can move to more specific keywords. Okay, so this is how I do it. I actually plan my week in advance because I don't want to be wasting too much time about like, okay, what I'm going to be doing, what I'm going to be writing about. Hey, if you are not sure, especially because you are just getting started, my suggestion is to go here, answer the public, write or type down your main keywords. Okay, once you get used to, you're gonna understand how people are thinking. Okay, what they're actually or actively looking for. Okay, because you are going to be creating content. The most important thing is that you need to be creating content daily if you can, or as often as you can. Be committed with your success. Be committed with the fact that you need to make it happen. Download the extension. Again, this is the third time. Keywords everywhere, 100% free, 100% recommended. Okay, by the way, if it doesn't matter where you're looking this, where you're doing the search, you're gonna have this information. This information is not there, but if you have the extension, you're gonna have it. The search volume, the cost per click, how competitive it is. Okay, choose a platform. Again, if you want to do videos, go with YouTube. If you want to create written content, go with a blog. Okay, choose a platform and commit to it, stick to it. The great thing about creating this kind of content is that it's gonna be evergreen. Okay, if you do a like an image on Instagram, or do a post on Facebook, it's not gonna be evergreen. There is no way that people actually is gonna reach it, or because they need to be scrolling. But on YouTube and or on Google, people are actively looking for the information. So this means that you're going to be getting higher quality traffic, because these are people who are looking to solve a problem, and your video or your blog post, it's going to have the content that's going to help them. The more content that you have out there, the bigger or the greater chances you have to rank. Okay, this is going to be a snowball effect because you have so much content. Okay, you are going to attract way more traffic. Okay, YouTube, it's going to understand that you are there, you're a content creator, you're a video creator, and Google is going to understand the same. Remember that YouTube, it's owned by Google, so the algorithm work most likely the same. Okay, choose the platform that you want to go with, stick to it, do your keyword research, plan in advance so you do not need to be wasting too much time on this, and take action. By the way, if you want to learn more about this, I have a free course. I'm gonna leave the link below so you can check it out. It's a course in which I'll teach about affiliate marketing, and I cover this more in depth. So this is it for this video. If you find some golden nuggets, please give me a thumbs up. That's gonna help me. It's gonna help my video. It's gonna help my channel. Leave your comments or questions in the comment area, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video.